What's up guys, assalamu alaikum. Welcome to my YouTube channel Arcan Tech 4. So today I'm talking about types of secured loans. So let's start the video. Number 1, home loans. A home loan is a type of financial product that is used to finance the purchase of real estate such as an apartment complex or a house. The buyer pays back the loan with interest and monthly payments over time. Okay, then the home buyer receives a mortgage for up to 90% of the property value. The rest of the amount is referred to as the down payment. Those loans generally come with longer tenures and the interest rates start at 8.30%. Okay, then number 2, loans and loans against property. Okay, a loan against property is a type of secured loan where the borrower agrees to use their home as collateral for the loan. A lender may accept a home mortgage as collateral for a loan whether it is owner occupied or investment property. Okay, then the lender will then lend you the money you need and you will pay them back by making regular payments on time. The amount of money you can borrow is limited by the value of your home. Okay, then in most cases, this type of loan has higher interest rates than others because you can use your house as collateral. However, those rates are still much lower than what you would pay with an unsecured loan such as credit card debt, and they usually include tax benefits. Okay, then number 3, loans against insurance policies. Okay, should you find yourself in a cash crunch, consider whether your insurance policies could be used as collateral for a loan. You never know if this could be your first step towards securing the funds you need to move forward with your financial goals. Okay, then number 4, gold loans. Okay, a gold loan is a type of secured loan that you can get with the help of your gold. It is a good option for those who have their own gold and want to use it as collateral for a secured loan. Those loans are generally used for short-term needs and come with a shorter repayment tenure when compared with other secured loans like home loans and loan against property. Okay, then number 5, loans against the mutual funds and shares. Okay, you can use your mutual funds and shares as a way to borrow money. This always allows you to take advantage of your investments, gain access to funds, and pursue some of your goals in life by choosing a loan against those securities. You will gain access to many repayment choices and no prepayment charge. Okay, then number 6, loans against fixed deposit. Okay, some banks may allow you to get a loan against your fixed deposits, and in most cases the value would stay closer to your fixed deposit account. Banks understand that FDs are safe investments, so getting a loan against your fixed deposit won't be a problem. Okay, so that's it for today's video. If you need more information, you can join this website and other website. Please subscribe my YouTube channel Arcan Tech 4 and like, comment, share, support me. Goodbye today. Assalamu alaikum.